how to create a spoiler tag on your Reddit post. So first, open your Reddit on any web browser you have and log into your Reddit. As you can see, I have logged into my account here. And if you want to create a new post, what you can do is click on this create post right here at the top, and you can write anything you want. For example, I'm just gonna write the title as Reddit post, and on the body part I'm just going to write, this is my first Reddit post. Once I do that, if you want to hide the spoiler of a specific word, you just choose the word. For example, if I want to hide the word first, and you can see I've selected the word first, and what you can do is there are many options up here like bold, italic, and strike through. You can even add bullet points, any kind of link, any kind of code. And at the right side you can see there is this exclamation mark inside a diamond. This icon represents spoiler, so if I just click on it, this word now has the spoiler tag on it, and it won't be revealed at first as if I try to post this and choose a community, or I can just post it to my profile for now and just click on post. After it's posted, as you can see, so here is my post. The title says Reddit post, and this is and the word that I had highlighted is now on under the spoiler tag. So to reveal it, I just click on it, and now the word is revealed. And that's how you can create a spoiler tag on your Reddit post. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.